name is Maggie. Today I'm actually at District 15 at a freehold condo at the Makena. This project actually sits along Meyer Road and right next to the East Coast Park. On top of that, it actually has a personalized direct access underpass that leads residents here directly to the East Coast Park. Let's come and take a look.
Hello everyone, my name is Jason. Today I'm going to show you to a very beautiful 3-bedder at the Makena. This unit is very affordable and it can be your only chance to own a property along the Meyer Road. Come, let's go! Hello viewers, I'm Jason. Now I'm actually inside this lovely 3-bedder unit. This unit is 1152 square feet. It's actually on the high floor. Come, let me show you the layout. Right in front of me is actually the very spacious living hall. This whole unit is all indoor space, there's no balcony. And overlooking this window is actually looking at the Unblock landed view. This owner has a lot of ID input and they have put in a lot of effort in their renovation. The special thing about this unit is that there's also another secondary living hall, as you can see here, right in front of me. This space you can use it as a study area, or maybe just another living area, just like how they have placed so far. And now I'm walking towards the bedroom cluster. The bedroom cluster is laid out in such a way that there is maximum privacy. So I'm walking into the first common bedroom, but before that, on my left here is actually a very nice storage area, and on my right is actually a well renovated common bathroom. And the owner has actually do it in such a way that the wall tiles and the floor tiles are of modern design and even come with a rotating mirror storage as well. The bedroom of this unit is very spacious. Right now, this is actually the kids' room. It has a bunk bed, but if you want to put a king size bed, it's not an issue at all. And they also fully renovated the built-in wardrobe. Okay, let's head up to the other bedrooms. And now I'm actually looking at the master room on my right and also the common room in front. And there's also a slight storage area right outside the walkway. Now I'm going to enter the common bedroom first. This common bedroom is used as a storage area at the moment. It's also very sizable. You can actually put in a queen size bed anytime you like. They also come with a built-in wardrobe, as you can see in front. Okay, right now I'm going to enter the master bedroom. Okay, this master bedroom is definitely very spacious. Right in front of me is actually a king size bed, and it then still house a baby cot. And the good news is that there are still plenty of space for you to put a study desk. And this also faces the very beautiful Unblock landed view right outside. It comes with a very well renovated built-in wardrobe as well. And right in front of me is actually the nicely done up attached bath. There is no bathtub, just a nice functional stand shower and a nice vanity top and the dark wall tiles. Okay, let's head towards the kitchen. Okay, this kitchen is actually right near to the entrance. It is enclosable by this sliding door, as we can see. This kitchen is actually very airy. It comes with natural ventilation. The owner actually spent a lot of effort for the carpentry. It's actually a minimalistic modern style. And it still does come with a laundry yard as well behind this foldable door, bifold door. And the chute is right there.
That's all we have for you today. Please give us a call if you'd like to come down and take a look for yourself. This beautiful 3-bedder at the Makena. See you soon.